Go to the column letter at the top of your spreadsheet, say column A, B, or C, and move your cursor right to the border between that letter and the next one. As soon as you hover over that thin line, your cursor will change from the standard arrow pointer into a double-sided arrow, with one arrow pointing left and the other pointing right. That visual cue is your signal that you're in the right spot to resize. Once you see that double arrow, just click and hold your left mouse button, then drag to the left to make the column narrower, or to the right to make it wider. As you drag, you'll see a live preview of the column width, and a small tooltip will pop up showing you the exact pixel measurement, so you have total control over the final size. When the column looks just right, simply release the mouse button, and the new width locks in immediately. That click and drag method is hands down the fastest way to adjust a column's width in Google Sheets, and it's the one you'll probably use the most once you get comfortable with it. But here's a really common mistake beginners make. They try to drag from inside the column header, or they click on the letters themselves. That won't work, because you need to be right on the borderline between two column letters for the double-sided arrow to appear. If you don't see that cursor change, just nudge your mouse a pixel or two until it does. Also, if you're working on a touchpad instead of a mouse, you can still do this. Just press down with one finger on the touchpad and drag with another, or enable click and drag in your touchpad settings. Now, what if you have a very specific width in mind, or you need columns to be exactly the same size for a clean, professional look? That's where the alternative method comes in, and it's just as easy. Right-click on the column header, that's the letter at the very top of the column, and a small context menu will pop up. From that menu, select Resize Column. A dialog box will appear with two options. The first option is to enter a custom width in pixels. You can type in any number you want, and Google Sheets will instantly set the column to that exact measurement. This is ideal if you're working with a template that requires uniformity, or if you know your data needs a specific width to display properly. The second option is Fit to Data. If you click that, Google Sheets will automatically shrink or grow the column just enough so that the longest piece of content in that column is fully visible, with no cut-off text. This is a huge time saver when you've just pasted in a lot of data and you don't want to manually adjust each column. After you make your choice, just click the OK button and the column resizes instantly. One extra tip that a lot of users overlook: you can apply this same fit-to-data logic across multiple columns at once. Simply click and drag to select several column letters at the top, then right-click on any one of them, choose Resize Columns, and pick Fit to Data. Google Sheets will then optimize every selected column in one go. This works perfectly for cleaning up a messy report or a data export where every column is a different, unpredictable width. And if you ever need to make all columns the same width, you can select them all. Right-click, choose Resize Columns, and enter one uniform pixel value. After you've made your adjustments, take a second to scroll through your sheet and make sure everything looks good. Check that headers haven't been clipped, that long numbers or dates are fully visible, and that the overall layout feels balanced. Sometimes if you resize one column very narrow, the cells next to it might look squished, so a quick visual review is always a good habit. The beauty of this whole process is that nothing is permanent. You can always go back and resize again later, or even undo a change with Ctrl+Z if you change your mind. You've now got complete control over how your data is presented, which makes your spreadsheets easier to read, more professional, and a lot friendlier to share with others. Whether you're building a budget, planning a project, or analyzing data, knowing how to resize columns quickly and accurately will save you time and frustration. If you ever need to revisit these steps, just save this video for later. Thanks for sticking with me, and happy sheeting.